Hi there everyone, Mr. Brand here. Just going to go through your exercise for today, which is 12.5. Now last week in the earlier exercises, exercise 12.1 and 2, and 3 to some extent, we were looking at fractions of amounts, calculating those. So if you were given a total, you were asked to find 3/10 or 2/5 of that amount. Okay. Today, in this exercise, it's going to be reversed, and you're going to be given an amount and asked to find the total amount. So today what we want you to be able to do is to be able to find the original amount. Now here I have a question. A quarter of 24 is 6. Okay, now that's something we've done last week in the earlier exercises, and I'll demonstrate now how that question will be reversed and the ways in which we can think about solving it. A quarter of 24 is 6. However, we know if 6 is equal to a quarter, okay, the question would say, what would the total amount be? So 6 is a quarter of an amount. What is that amount? Well, we know that the amount divided by 4, because we're finding a quarter, is equal to 6. Okay? So we've used n, we've used a bit of algebra, n to represent the original amount. So the original amount divided by 4 was 6. Now division and multiplication, okay, we can reverse them, they are the inverse of one another, which means that to find that original amount, I can rearrange this and say that 6 multiplied by 4 gives n. You do your times tables, do your maths. 6 times 4, we know is 24. So we've used the inverse to calculate that now. Okay? So if I just quickly rub this out, we'll do another example on the board with you. To demonstrate, and I'll take one from the exercise. Okay. A fifth of an amount is 6. What's the total? Okay, so we're going to take n again as our number that we want to find, and we know that n divided by 5, because we're finding 1/5, n divided by 5 is equal to 6. So let's use the inverse to find that total. So 5 multiplied by 6 is going to give us n, or the number. Now you don't always have to write n, I'm just using that to illustrate this, and this can be then used to apply in any question. But 5 times 6 gives you that value, and you would know the value here would be 30. So the original amount is 30. Okay? Let's do another example. Quickly rub this off. If we take something like a third, interesting 3, a third of a length of rope. So a little bit more wordy now. Real life problems. A third of a length of rope is 15 meters. Okay, so we've got a piece of rope, it's 15 meters long. We can illustrate that if you like. Okay, that's 15 meters. That's 1/3. So we know we need 3 lots of those to find our total. So another 15 and another 15 meters. If I illustrate this problem, that would give me my total amount. And I would work those out. 15 plus 15 plus 15 is 45 meters. Okay, so that would be my original amount. Let's just work it through as we have done. A third of a length of rope is 15 meters. So n, our number, divided by 3 is equal to 15. Use the inverse. Okay, we're going to say 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to n. Now we can do that calculation. We can say 3 times 15 is 45 meters. Okay. Now we want you to work through that exercise. What's really important is when you find an answer, can you undo it and pick it back and check whether it's correct? Okay. So once you've got 45 here, divide 45 by 3, because that's the third that we're trying to find, a third of a length. 45 divided by 3 is 15, okay? We know it's correct. So work the question through, use the n as a guide if you want to help you here, and check back when you have finished, okay? Good luck, okay? And we'll see you soon.